Well, mopping up defensively. Well, there to intercept. Johnson. He has teammates around him. Solanke. And Real with the ball again. And they've bought themselves a bit of time. Real Madrid have been awarded the free kick. Jota. Well, using the space really well, you've got to say. But the danger averted for now. Kulusevski. Real Madrid doing well to regain possession here. Must be! And it goes! A 3-goal cushion, and you truly sense it's a matter of how many. Dominic Solanke. Dylan Bakwa. Into the advanced position. Sound piece of goalkeeping. Sarr. And now with Kulusevski. Dominic Solanke. And a simple clearance, a good one. Making sure nothing came of it. Solanke. Well, spot on with that challenge. So the final whistle, and it's a story of defeat for Spurs in this one. What did you make of it all?
Well, Derek, the fans are right to expect more. The tempo of their passing was too slow. They were second to the ball too many times and were beaten by the better side today.